أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Old Paper MCQ Series Part Number 4 राह रवां अज़ बानो कुदसिया सनफ के लिहाज से क्या है? नावल, आपबीती, अफसाना। करेक्ट आंसर आपबीती। राह रवां बानो कुदसिया की तरफ से लिखी गई एक आपबीती है। Who is the current Chief Justice of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa High Court? Muhammad Ibrahim Khan. Chief Justice of KPK High Court is Muhammad Ibrahim Khan. Which country is constructing the world's largest solar power plant? China. World largest solar power plant constructed by China. Prime meridian does not pass from Morocco, Algeria, Malawi. Answer Morocco. Prime meridian does not pass from Morocco. उर्दू की पहली बाज़ाब्ता स्वान उमरी किस किताब को करार दिया जाता है? हयाते सादी। हयाते सादी उर्दू की पहली बाज़ाब्ता स्वान उमरी है। असीरे हिर्स किसका ड्रामा है? आगा हशर। असीरे हिर्स आगा हशर का लिखा हुआ ड्रामा है। इन रेडियो व्हाट डज एफएम स्टैंड्स फॉर? रेडियो डज एफएम स्टैंड In radio, what does the FM stand for? Frequency modulation. In which game does the Spanish Opening take place? Chess, curling, baseball. Correct answer, chess. In which game does the Spanish Opening take place? Is chess. Who was the third president of Pakistan? Yahya Khan. Third president of Pakistan is General Yahya Khan. Who is the author of Warrior Race: A Journey Through the Land of the Tribal Pathans? Answer Imran Khan. Firstly, the data goes to which memory? Cache memory, virtual memory, main memory. The correct answer cache memory. The data goes to cache memory. Gomal University is located in Quetta, Peshawar, DI Khan. Answer DI Khan. Gomal University is located in DI Khan. चारशुंबा हफ्ते का कौन सा दिन है? इतवार, पीर, बुध। करेक्ट आंसर बुध। चारशुंबा हफ्ते का बुध वाले दिन को कहा जाता है। उर्दू का पहला अफसाना कौन सा है? सोज़े वतन। उर्दू का पहला अफसाना सोज़े वतन को करार दिया गया। लंदन टावर ब्रिज is located on which river? Thames. London Tower Bridge is located on Thames River. मावरा किसकी नज़्मों का मजमूआ है? नून मीम राशिद, मीरा जी, इब्न इंशा। आंसर नून मीम राशिद। Which cricketer received the Sitara Imtiaz Award on March 23, 2023? Babar Azam. Babar Azam received the Sitara Imtiaz Award on March 23, 2023. The inaugural session of the first Constitution Assembly of Pakistan was chaired by Joginder Nath Mandal. Joginder Nath Mandal chaired the first Constitution Assembly of Pakistan because he is the first Law Minister of Pakistan. Myanmar is a country, Southeast Asian, South Asian, Middle East. The correct answer, Myanmar is Southeast Asian country. Who discovered nucleus? F. Jackson, Einstein, Robert Brown. Answer Robert Brown. Who discovered nucleus? Robert Brown. Is South Africa. The correct answer Leosto. Which country is known as the Big Apple? Big Apple is New York. फनून मजल्ला किसने लिखी? अहमद नदीम कासमी. फनून मजल्ला अहमद नदीम कासमी ने. French Revolution was occurred in 1789 to 1799. French Revolution was occurred 1789 to 1799. Formosa is the old name of Taiwan. Thanks a lot for watching my video.